with the Turkey Meister right here. If you haven't shopped for your big Thanksgiving Day extravaganza, it's time to get busy. And if you're wondering what to do with all that turkey after the big feast, we got you covered. Caterer extraordinaire Hugh Groman is here. We're talking turkey, but more specifically, turkey salad.
Yum.
Yum.
How you doing today?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm great.
You're already creating.
Yeah, a fun way to use up your Thanksgiving turkey leftovers. So we've got this turkey salad. I've been throwing in the diced up turkey. I got roasted sweet potatoes. If you have those, you can throw those in. Toasted pecans.
Oh, yes.
I've got cabbage to kind of, add a little vegetable element. I got some celery for crunch and freshness.
Okay.
And then the flavorings, we've got some scallions and some mayonnaise. And then add a little spice, chipotle, and a smoky flavor, a little jalapeno.
Oh boy, so
and then lime juice.
Spicy.
This will brighten it up. The lime juice just gives it a little acidity, and then some salt and pepper. So I'm going to ask you to just stir this up for me.
I can do that. And
here, I'll give it to you. And just keep on stirring this all up.
Okay.
And now
I'll stir.
We're going to make this delicious Thanksgiving turkey salad, and then we're going to serve it with a nice green salad. This is a way to lighten it up after Thanksgiving when you feel like you've maybe overdone it.
My mom would always make turkey soup or turkey curry.
That sounds good. Turkey soup.
I love turkey. I don't know if I've had turkey salad.
Oh, you're going to love it.
Chicken salad, I love.
You're going to love it. So then, this salad has frisee and radicchio and endive leaves. So once you're done stirring that up, you can throw that in that bowl over there.
Okay.
And then I'll have you put the endive leaves into the salad. And when you're doing the endive, you can just kind of cut the end off and then put the leaves in a hole, and people can eat it with a knife and fork. So I'll have you do that.
Do you want to give a shout out to your prep crew who cut up all this stuff?
Yes. Kitchen crew, you are amazing. They make this so much more doable for me.
Okay. Set that down.
So I'm going to make the dressing that goes with the green salad. This is a Parmesan dressing. It's kind of like a Caesar. I've got 2 egg yolks.
Okay.
And some garlic and some anchovy and then lemon juice and red wine vinegar.
Okay.
And here's the trick here. We're going to put the oil in a slow, steady stream. Oh. There's a whole scientific math thing, salt and pepper. There's a whole scientific math thing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out, I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to start out with 1 drop of oil. And what that does is it creates this framework for the rest of the oil to become like a mayonnaise or a thick dressing. So here we go. We're going to do this real quick. Just a drop. And then you can go in a slow, steady stream. All right. There we go.
Voila, your dressing is done.
All right, so we're going to now take this, and I'm just going to add this Parmesan into the dressing.
Oh, boy. It's almost like a
yummy.
pesto.
Yeah, it's really nice. So you've got this beautiful, savory dressing with the anchovies and the Parmesan, and then...
you don't have to blend it,
and then
you just kind of scoop it in?
Yeah, I didn't want the Parmesan cheese to lose its texture.
Right.
So here, and then I'll just pour this in.
Okay, we're running out of time.
Okay, great.
Oh, God,
and then it's just going to get, let me just tell you, we're going to get some apples and some candied walnuts in here.
I know, I've been eating your candied walnuts.
Nailed it. There we go.
Yes, you always do.
And now here, we'll just stir it up, and then we're going to serve this with the turkey salad.
All right, I'm going to take a quick bite of this just so I can...
Oh, yeah, you got to do it.
Tell the crew how fabulous
You let me know if it needs salt. Frank, you got a whole endive in here. Come on, man.
I know.
You need to go back to the training. You got to go back to the training program.
All right. Well, we'll continue to toss. We're going to feed the crew here in a moment. With a full mouth, I'm going to throw it over to Rosemary.